In this video, I'm going to get you started on our 5.1 assignment. The number might be changed, by the way, because every once in a while it falls in a different week. But it should be creating a floor plan for our room in room 330, my room across the wood shop in Sketchup for Schools. And what we're doing here is basically setting up what we measured in our previous assignment, but in the Sketchup for Schools app. So we want to select this link right here. And that will take us to our Sketchup for Schools. We have to log in through Google and then give it all the permissions that it needs to have to run. But as soon as we get opened up, you'll see your home page. If you haven't been here recently, you won't see anything in your recent files. It'll just be a thing that says Get Started. Ignore that. And to get started, we're going to go to the upper left-hand corner here, and we're going to select the downward-facing arrow next to Create New, and we're going to select Architecture Feet and Inches. After you select that, you're going to open up SketchUp. One of the first things we're going to do is right away name it, so that gives us a chance to, I guess, put a name on what we have here as far as our document, and then also make sure we know where it's being saved at. And then we'll come back in and get the model set up also. So first of all, select the name up here, and then you want to select your drive once this pops up, my drive. And then we want to select our folder. I'm going to go to my classes folder, and I'm going to go to my architecture folder, and then from there what we want to do is just name this, and we're just going to call this Classroom Layout 330. And if you wanted to, you can put your name on there, you can put the hour on there just to identify kind of what that file is. At the same time, for this right now, that's what I'm going to call mine, Classroom Layout 330. We know what it is. Save here. Now the first thing you can notice is that it's changed. Our name has changed now up in the upper left hand corner. And then the next thing is we're going to get set up so we're ready to draw. So one of the things that SketchUp always has in their model is, or in their documents, is a model. And this model is real size. All right. Now, the important part about this is if we want to delete it, I would delete it after we get some other things drawn. So we're going to leave that model alone for right now. And what we're going to do is set up our scenes. Over here on the right-hand side, you'll see a thing that looks like a movie board or a movie clip or a clapper board. And then if you click on it, it's called Scenes. We want to go to the top view, which is the very middle scene. And then we also want to make sure we're in parallel projection. What that does is it sets up so when we're looking down at our green axis and our red axis, very similar to a grid paper. And then we're able to build in this upper right quadrant, right, using that origin a lot. Okay, now that's basically getting us started in getting us set up to have our, I guess, document be in the right spot, and we know where it is now, and we know what it's called. All right, in the next video, we will get started laying out guidelines to make our original rectangle. Thanks for watching.